Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Pool Magic Spring and Fall. What is Pool Magic Spring and Fall? Natural Chemistry's Pool Magic Spring and Fall gives pool owners with a treatment designed to make opening and closing their pool much simpler and easier. Utilizing natural enzymes that stabilize pool water through the winter, it eliminates much of the prep work commonly involved during pool opening and virtually eliminates the formation of water rings, stains, while protecting pool liners and finishes. This treatment also makes acid washing unnecessary, saving you time and money. Product benefits: 100% biodegradable and non-toxic. 1 liter treats 25,000 gallons. Natural enzyme formula breaks down organics such as oils and lotions. Makes spring pool openings faster and easier. Keeps pool water cleaner and prevents scum line formation. Usage directions: opening. Bring water level to normal and add anytime after shocking and balancing chemicals. As water warms to 75 degrees, any residual winter waterline ring will disappear. Closing. Follow dealer instructions for closing. Add Pool Magic as the last step before covering pool. Dosage: 1 liter per 25,000 gallons of water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.